Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to check phone model on your VIVO X300. So basically, if you need to check your phone model, it's very simple and I'll show you how to do it very quickly. Open up your settings and scroll all the way down to About Phone. Here you can check your device name, processor, phone storage, RAM, storage compression, battery capacity, but what you'll need to check your model is opening up your version info, and here you can see model number, hardware version, software version, baseband version, and all the stuff like this. So basically that's it. That's how you check your model number. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.